guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am so freaking excited, and the reason why I'm excited because I have the MMMMITCHELL collection. So if you don't know who Mitchell is, like, first of all, why, how, what? He is a makeup artist here in the UK, and he is just like the most incredible artist like out there. I just can't describe it. Like, it's just such an inspiration. It's kind of like paved the way for, you know, boys like me, like, to be able to do makeup. And now it's just so beautiful because I just see, like, on Instagram and all this stuff, like kids about like 14 and younger, and just like painting the faces and just being able to be really expressionate and just be themselves, and it's just really beautiful to see. And I feel like Mitchell has really helped like pave the way for that. So I'm just so excited and proud that he has his very own brand now, which is Made by Mitchell, guys. So happy and proud to be able to, you know, be a boy doing makeup and be able to buy from a boy brand. This is, you know, a boy making products just for artists. There's no gender, there's no age, there's just nothing, there's just no rules. And that's why I'm just like so happy and so proud, because this is such an achievement for not only Mitchell but like boys in makeup as well. So I'm just so happy and proud, and I cannot wait to show you and be able to just play. So I haven't played with makeup for so long, and like I'm just dying to just get into some makeup right now. So these guys are the palettes. First of all, can we just really appreciate the packaging? This is the outer boxes, guys. So when I went onto his website, I really wanted the mirror, and the mirror was sold out, and I want to cry because I really wanted that mirror. He also come out with some blushes, they're like liquid blushes, and they're actually called like blushes. But yeah, I didn't actually pick up any of those either because I just could not decide which ones I wanted, and I was in a rush, and I just got really hot and bothered, and I was like, I just get the stuff and go at them. He also has like kits as well, if you're like a working makeup artist, so you can store all your makeup in and all that good stuff. Like, it's just such a beautiful first collection, and I'm so excited to see where this goes. So yeah, guys, these are the palettes. So first of all, we have the Feet on the Ground palette, and then we have Head in the Clouds palette. And then these are the backs, guys. I'm not going to read anything out because, like I do with P. Louise, I really like people to read the palettes and read the words that they've wrote, you know, for yourselves. I just don't like to read everything out. It's kind of like personal to you, you know? So yeah, that's the outer boxes. And then I also picked up the brush set, guys. The brush set is like, I just can't even cope, guys. The brush sets are just the most unique brushes that I have in my collection. So they come with a pouch like this. They are £65, I believe. And guys, you are not ready. Like, you've probably already seen them already, but look at those brushes. So you get 6 brushes, guys, and these are what they look like. Like, the colour is just insane. If you look at my collection, like, it's kind of like boring, it's pink, you know, but these brushes, like, they're going to stand out, and I just absolutely love them. I think they're absolutely sick. So I believe like this one is, you know, for like, if you're blending in the blushes that he came out with, you can use it for whatever you want, really. You can use it, like, you know, for concealer and stuff. They feel so soft, like, they're just so soft. I believe they're synthetic, so that's amazing. But the colour is just absolutely insane. So I'm gonna probably use these for powders, that maybe for concealer, and the eye brushes, guys, look so good. So you can buy these individually if you don't want the set. I got the set, but now that I've seen them in real life, I am gonna purchase some more of these, because these brushes are right up my street. Obviously, I will see how they perform today, but the brushes are just amazing, just to get right in the crease. I would like to have seen a bigger, fluffier brush, but you know, that might come in due time. But yeah, these brushes are just really amazing to do, like, you know, detailed work and blends. So we're going to be using these today. Oh my god, like, I am, like, look at them, just look at them. Oh. So when you get the palettes, these are what they come in. So basically, they come in these pouches, and then when you take them out, you know, they come in the outer carton, so it unzips, and you know, just the detail and everything is just amazing. These are, I've seen a couple of people say like, why are these like necessary? But I feel like these are good and necessary. If you're traveling, you know, you can just put them in your case, and this is really, really padded, guys, so your pallet's going to be well protected in these. So, you know, if you are traveling and you want to take your pallets with you, that's why. So I really like the idea with these. So when you take the pallet out, guys, I'm going to do some close-up shots of the pallets, guys, and my fingernails, don't look at them like it's fake tan. They're not dirty, it's fake tan, okay? Don't come for me. So this is what the packaging on the feet on the ground pallet looks like, guys. Like, it's just so beautiful. And then on the back, it has, you know, some quotage, some ingredients, and then the website. And then each of the pallets come with a little pallet condom. And they're both quite different. So this is the one that goes with the feet on the ground palette. It's like, you know, very like reminiscent to the palette itself. So let's show you the colours. So you get a huge ass mirror in this. Hello, Adam. And this is the palette, guys. Like, how absolutely stunning is this? So the palette is absolutely beautiful. It's full of like, obviously, greens, khakis, just really like cool tones. This shade here is unbelievable. It's just unlike anything that I've ever seen in a palette. This shade here as well is stunning. It's not like a yellow, it's like a lime green neon. It's absolutely crazy, and the shimmers are insane as well. So I'm not going to swatch every single shadow for you, but I will swatch a couple. So I've been dying to swatch this shade here, which is called Bless You. And then look at that, like, it's just so reflective. And then let's swatch like a green. Oh wow, the shadows feel amazing, guys. I haven't actually touched the formula up until now, and wow, to say that payoff, like, wow. So I'm gonna swatch this shade. I think this is a black shade, and y'all know that I love a good black. So I was gonna swatch that. And then that's what, oh my God. Look at that payoff. I can't describe to you how the feel, I'm going to swatch one more, guys. I'm going to swatch this one, which is called Tiger Lily. Like, I can't describe how the feel, like, look at that pigment. The pigment is insane on these. So yeah, guys, that is the feet on the ground palette. I will be trying to dive in between both of the palettes today. I'm not sure what I want to do. So then again, when you get your palette, it comes in this beautiful sleeve, and then this is the Head in the Clouds palette. When I saw this palette, guys, I just, both of the palettes, I was just like, I don't have any of those colours really in my, you know, in my catalogue of palettes. So I was really, really excited. So again, it comes with a condom, and you can see that it's got like the clouds and the M, so they're both like quite different. So I really love the detail. And then this is the Head in the Clouds palette. Look at that, how beautiful is that? So again, you've got some beautiful shades in here. This one is literally calling my name, so I'm gonna give that a swatch. Oh, I feel like the swatch so nice, like the swatch unbelievable. Like when you feel it, it feels so nice. I'm gonna swatch this white shade, which is called Walter. Now again, I love my black shades and my white shades. The best white that I have ever used is the P. Louise Charm shade. So let's have a look, shall we? Wow. Okay, so that white shade looks pretty nice. I'm gonna swatch Golden Hour because it's kind of like a peachy pink. Oh, look at that, that's stunning. And then I'm gonna swatch this blue shade. Oh wow. Look, oh my God, look at that, guys. I need to be using that right now. So guys, these are the two palettes together. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I am going to do like a couple of looks with these throughout the upcoming days, so keep an eye out for that. So now it's time to get paint in my face, I think. So I'm just taking the M3 brush, I think it's called, and I'm dipping into the shade Tiger Lily. I'm just gonna start putting that there. Like, look how insane that pigment is, guys. And then I'm going to dip into the shade Eclipse, which is this gorgeous blue metallic shade, and start putting that here. Like, look how insane that is. And then dipping back into the shade Tiger Lily and just start blending that into each other. So just taking some Inglot Gerbilime and taking that on a P. Louise brush. And just going back in with my P. Louise base. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade Chemtrail. So I'm just gonna take the Mitchell 2 brush and dipping into that same shade. I'm just gonna really pack the shade on and just like buff it out. I'm gonna take the shade Mama's Garden. I'm taking that on like a P. Louise brush. And I'm gonna start putting that here. The shimmers in this palette are absolutely insane. Like, they're just so good. To say that I'm applying them with a brush, like, they just look so good. I'm gonna try applying it with a finger just to see if it gives me... So it does give me a little bit more shimmer. But I mean, applying it with a finger and applying it with a brush, there's not that much difference. And then I'm just going to take the previous brush and just blend these shades together. So I'm going to take this brush, which is the, I think it's the Mitchell 1 brush. It's like quite like a nice fluffy brush, and I feel like we need a little bit of black to add a bit of mystery. So I'm going to dip into the shade MMMMITCHELLS. I'm going to start putting that here and like wing it out. Black shade is so nice. I'm just running that black along my lash line just to blend it in and give the shade a bit of depth. I'm just going to take the previous brush and I'm dipping into the shade Grass, which is this real deep green shimmer. I'm just going to blend that into the black and the green. So I've just cleaned it up like so. So I feel like we need a little something running through this area. I'm going to take a little bit of the Limelight shade on a Peaches and Cream brush, and I'm just going to run that through there. So that's just added a little bit of, you know, something. I'm going to take a little bit of Limelight again and on an angled brush, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Alright guys, so I've just done my under eye. I've took the shade Night Nympher out of the Head in the Clouds palette and a little bit of the shade Eclipse. I just don't know where this eye look's going, to be honest. I don't know if I like it, but you know, we've come this far. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put on a lash and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have just put my lashes on. As you can see, I've gone for something a little bit crazy. So as you all know, whenever I do like a look like this, usually I will do the other eye sometimes, or I will, you know, cover my eye up like this, which is what I'm going to do with this one. For Instagram, I'm just gonna do the one eye. I will be going to do my base makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the kind of finished look. It looks a little bit crazy because I had an accident. I decided to put something up in this area and it went a little bit wrong, so I had to try and correct it. So my brow kind of looks a little bit crazy. Just ignore that. And yeah, I don't understand why my brow's gone a bit weird, but overall I quite like how it's turned out. So guys, the palettes are absolutely beautiful. They are really pigmented. They blend out beautifully. The brushes are absolutely stunning. I mean, the colour is gorgeous. Like, the brushes are they just look amazing. They blend out amazing, and overall, I am very happy with this collection. The shimmers are insane. I used the shade Tiger Lily for a bit of blush, and I also used the shade Fool's Gold for my highlight, and I put a little bit on my forehead as well. The gloss that I've got on is P. Louise Holler gloss. And yeah guys, there's not much more to say about this collection other than I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely amazing. All of the colours are absolutely beautiful. I will try and incorporate this palette more in my next makeup look, so make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting there as well. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what look you want to see next. But overall, I am quite happy with how this turned out. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.